Your major is English, right?
Yes. Why do you know that?
Because I'm smart.
Because of my pronunciation.
Because of your due diligence.
What does it mean? Due diligence.
I will teach you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Due diligence, a comprehensive appraisal of a business undertaken by a prospective buyer, especially to establish its assets and liabilities and evaluate its commercial potential. But I used it in figurative speech. I used it figuratively, not literally, because literally it has a different meaning. It means you are very careful.
Careful.
Yes, with your language, you're very careful with your tongue. So that's how I knew. How many chickens do you own?
Chickens. Yes, my parents raise chickens. There are about 6 chickens in my garden.
Do you own any camels?
Camels? No,
Have you ever tried camel milk?
I haven't. How does it taste, the camel milk?
It tastes amazing.
Is it the same with cow milk?
Different.
I really enjoy reading about teaching method because I think to be an English teacher, the way you teach, the way I teach is very important, and the knowledge about the language is really priority.
Yeah, I agree. There are many teaching methods you can explore and find the right one for your personality. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?